Welcome to today's Explainer. We're going to take a microscopic journey through a hyper-condensed 15-second promo script to uncover the actual mechanics of premium visual storytelling. It's honestly fascinating how much intention, psychology, and design can be packed into just a quarter of a minute. So, if you've ever wondered how top-tier brands capture your attention in the literal blink of an eye, you're in the exact right place. Let's get right into it.
Okay, let's look at how these specific atmospheric notes instantly establish a sensory expectation for the viewer before a single frame is even shot. The script dictates these exact key words for our digital planner promo. Notice the total absence of distractions here. By explicitly stating no people and focusing on minimal, soft ambient lighting, the creator ensures you imagine yourself in this space. It's not just a script, it's a meticulously crafted mood board. To truly grasp the marketing psychology at play, we're going to break this 15 seconds down into 6 chapters. Aesthetic vision, Scene 1 setup, Scene 2 dynamic motion, Scene 3 variety, Scene 4 call to action, and finally, the technical specs.
Part 1. Aesthetic vision, the premium look.
Before we even look at the clock, we really need to understand the visual foundation. The strict adherence to a navy blue and gold color palette throughout the entire runtime instantly signals a cohesive, high-end, premium brand identity to the buyer. Navy blue communicates trust, stability, and professionalism. And then those gold accents, they bring in that undeniable touch of luxury and exclusivity. By refusing to deviate from these two anchor colors, the script guarantees the final product feels like a high-end commercial and definitely not some cheap, thrown-together internet ad. The crucial point here is how this exact timeline treats every single second as strategic real estate designed to hook, hold, and convert. In 15 seconds, you literally do not have time for filler. We've got precisely 4 seconds to establish the scene, 5 seconds to show dynamic use, 4 seconds to prove value through variety, and a very tight 2 seconds to make the sale.
Part 2. Scene 1. Setup. Establishing reality.
Looking at seconds 0 through 4, see how this builds an immediate sense of luxury. Now, even though this is a digital planner, a product made entirely of pixels, anchoring the opening with highly tactile descriptions, like a navy leather textured desk and soft studio lighting, roots everything in a premium physical reality. We're kind of tricking the brain a little bit here. By surrounding a digital template with physical textures you can almost feel, the digital product itself suddenly feels more valuable, more real, and infinitely more desirable. Also, notice how the specific instruction for a slow camera push-in calmly and deliberately invites the viewer into the workspace before the pace inevitably accelerates. It's a welcoming gesture, right? It basically says, pull up a chair and check out this beautiful setup. This smooth camera motion establishes an initial feeling of calm and organization, which is exactly what someone shopping for a digital planner is hoping to buy.
Part 3. Scene 2. Dynamic motion. Shifting the energy.
As we hit that 4-second mark, the static imagery is left behind, and the energy completely shifts. The contrast here is super interesting. We move from a grounded, heavy leather desk to a smooth transition of a phone mock-up floating and rotating in 3D space. We've essentially gone from physical reality into an idealized, magical digital space. This breaks the visual pattern just enough to re-engage the brain right when your attention might otherwise start to wander.
By showing the template scrolling on a phone amidst drifting gold particles, the script brilliantly proves mobile usability while maintaining that overarching atmosphere of luxury. It's actually doing 2 jobs at once. Logically, it's showing the customer, hey, this planner works perfectly on your phone. But emotionally, with those drifting gold particles, it's whispering this planner is a premium, magical experience.
Part 4. Scene 3. Variety. Showcasing abundance.
From seconds 9 to 13, the pacing picks up speed for a quick montage. This rapid progression of covers fanning out like cards is an incredibly efficient way to visually showcase product variety and maximum value in just 4 seconds. Think about that motion for a second, fanning out like a winning hand of cards. It subconsciously communicates abundance. You instantly understand that you aren't just getting one simple file. You're getting a robust, comprehensive system, all tied together perfectly with that cohesive gold foil text. Part 5. Scene 4. Call to action. The final pitch. We now reach the final 2 seconds where all this build-up culminates. Contrast the opening slow push-in with this final command to zoom out. It creates a visual deep breath that clears the screen for the brand reveal. The camera pushed in to invite us into the experience, and now it zooms out to release us back into the real world.
fully equipped with the info we need to make a purchase. It acts as a perfect visual bookend to the whole 15-second story.
Ending with a striking gold Shop Now button against a completely clean navy background leaves zero visual distractions between the customer and the purchase. There are no drifting particles here, no textured desks, just the brand and the button. When it's time to ask for the sale, clarity is absolutely your best friend. The script deliberately drops the complex imagery to make the final action incredibly obvious.
Part 6. Technical Specs, Non-Negotiable Rules.
Of course, to ensure this creative vision actually translates to sales, we have to follow the rules. This brilliantly illustrates that no matter how beautiful the product is, prioritizing a 4K resolution and a 9:16 vertical aspect ratio is absolutely non-negotiable for modern social media and Etsy algorithms. 9:16 means it's built specifically for how people naturally hold their phones. And by rendering in 4K, the creator ensures those fine gold foil details and planner text remain razor-sharp, preserving that premium feel no matter what device the customer is using.
As you go back to your own projects, ask yourself how you can apply these micro-level pacing and aesthetic strategies to turn a simple timeline into a captivating masterclass in conversion. Every single second matters. Every color choice speaks. I really hope this explainer has shown you just how powerful a highly intentional script can be. So, here's the question you need to answer today. In your next 15 seconds of content, are you just taking up space, or are you telling a story that sells? Thanks so much for joining me, keep learning, and I'll see you next time.